Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to find sellers on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to find sellers on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to find sellers on Fiverr mobile app. So today I am going to show you how to find sellers on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Now you are seeing seller mode. From here, you will not be able to find other sellers. What you have to do is firstly turn off seller mode. How you can do that? The process is very simple. You are seeing different buttons at the bottom of the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now at the top, you are seeing toggle button in front of seller mode. Turn it off. Now your seller mode is turned off. Click on home button from here. You are seeing search button at the top and at the center bottom. Click on any of these. Now at the top, there are two buttons. Click on sellers and then search a seller by pressing search services. This is how you can find sellers. There you go. If you wanted to know how to find sellers on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.